the Passive Income Academy. Today we're going to dive into weekly analysis for upcoming week. The previous week has been a profitable week. It was a good week as per our previous analysis. As you can see from JP USD JPY, we have got 1 is to 2.5 here. Once the market started retracing the downside on the Monday, started well. You can see, and the week went long. As you can see, the market started printing out footprint. You can see, then we start by our price ceilings and price floors, price ceiling, price floors, as we're focusing on the market footprint. You can see price ceiling, price floor until this Friday, right? So preparing for next week. Next thing is to identify our price clutter from the preceding week market footprint. As you can see, there is price clutter, price clutter, price clutter. As the market was moving into the downward momentum, it left a lot of dumping zone and collecting zone on its way down. All right, so the next thing will be identifying your contraction zone, equilibrium zone, and expansion zone from the highest point of price ceiling and highest and lowest point of price flow. Right, so then you can plot your construction equilibrium and expansion zone. As you can see, the price is currently at a construction zone, and with the construction zone, looking at the two last price ceiling and price flow, then I identify my appreciation level, depreciation level, right? So this is my entry model that I use. Thereafter, I try to look at the trend of the market, the current momentum of the market to the upside, and I correlate with my fundamental analysis with compass of the political event, looking at economical data of the previous week and upcoming week. And with the dollar, of course, there's a lot of news that are coming that will really affect the volatility, and that will give us a good return based on the market momentum shift. All right, so next thing will be looking at where is the price heading, right? So based on this week, I think I will wait a bit until the Friday, and I will take it from there with decision of a Fed interest rate, but with analysis, with the fundamental analysis, of course, it's pointing out at 100% vote for 0.5, 0.25 quarter of a percent base point decrease on the Fed interest rate, which may indicate a good upward momentum of the dollar. But from this week, normally, if the interest rate is going to be lowered and it's going to be affecting the dollar to the downward direction, so it start by on a Monday to move on the opposite direction in order to create more price clutters and induce all the down money, thinking that the market is going to the upward direction. Once a decision is made, then the following week we'll see the momentum shift to the downward direction. But however, I'm looking at this price appreciation and depreciation level with my entry model. Currently, the price is sitting at construction zone, so I'll be looking for a price to break the appreciation level, retrace from a dumping zone, go down to depreciation level, take all this price clutter to a collecting level, retrace from a collecting level, break down to the downside, and from the downside, I'll be looking for entries. All right, but if I had to enter from next week, so I'll be looking for this price clutter and appreciation level to be broken first, and then once it's broken, I'll be looking for price to bounce from dumping zone, create another appreciation level, break the dumping zone, then I'll be looking for entry 1 is to 2 to the upward direction. All right, so that's what I'll be looking for. But however, if it goes carry on with the downward momentum, then I'll be looking for depreciation level to be breaking down. And I think with rate cuts, this is definitely going to play out. Downward direction, retrace the whole week until the Fed decision, and then create another depreciation level. Take out this collective zone and looking for 1 is 2, 3 to the downward direction. So this is what I will be looking for. But however, I want to see the market printing the newer appreciation and depreciation level from this construction zone and take it to the downside. All right. My first entry with 0.5%. I can even enter here, just put my stop loss just above. It's too much, too many pips. That's too many pips. So I'll be looking for 1 to 1 if I have to put this trade here in order to mitigate all the risk of price breaking the appreciation level, then retracing from the dumping zone and then go down. All right. So that's what I'll be looking for USD Japanese yen. Let us trade, let us make money. See